Hey friends, if you wish to fix file system error 21472199194 on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to check the disk for errors, and let's say that we go to this PC. Let's say we need to check this disk for errors. So right click on it, select show more options, properties, and then go to the tools tab and then click on check and click on scan drive. The next solution is to perform an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator in the right pane to open the elevated command prompt window. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution is a check disk scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator and click on yes. Type the command chkdsk /r/f and hit enter. Then press Y and hit enter once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.